door. And here we are. This house is 2,615 square feet. All of it completely furnished and ready to move in. There are 4 bedrooms plus an office or media room and 3.5 bathrooms. And let's just kind of wind our way through here. We've got a 2-car garage and a laundry room through there, pantry. But look at this kitchen. I love the gray and the gold together. It's got gas, French door fridge, apron sink, and look at this backsplash. I am in love here. I'm gonna zoom in, look how beautiful that is. Really nice choices with all of the furnishings. And all of this is included. There's a mirror doing a reflection of just everything. Just so light and bright and airy. So here is the backyard. It's got a nice sized pool, and there is a brand new 10,000-pound boat lift going in addition to this dock, which is shared with the neighbors to the left. And I'll just go in this way into the master suite. This is a king-size bed. So we've got a regular closet here, and then there's a walk-in closet through the bathroom. You've got this nice soaking tub, shower, here's your powder room, and then double vanity. And then a nice size walk-in closet. And then I'm circling back to the front of the house. There's the front door. Let me show you the powder room. I love the wallpaper. So it's got a Toto toilet, a little vanity right there. And then this is the the media room, which could be used as a 5th bedroom. And let me just show you everything because it's all included. I think I mentioned that several times. I love the doors too. Brand new staircase. And as you go up the stairs, you come to this little landing, which is a super cute little reading nook. And then there are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms this way, and another bedroom here. So I'm just gonna turn left and go clockwise. So here is guest room number 1. King size bed. And a nice little nook there as well. Love the macrame. And then 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this side. I'll just keep going clockwise. So this one has a little terrace. This is a queen size bed. This one has a view. Here's the bathroom. This one has a double vanity. And then a separate toilet and shower with a tub. And then the final guest suite. This one is an ensuite This is a king, no, I think this is a queen size bed. And then it has an ensuite right here. Beautiful, beautiful. With a rain shower. And then just to give you some perspective, this is what's out the front. So quick rundown again, this is 214 Island Circle on Siesta Key. It is listed for $3,047,000, just had a price reduction this morning. The house is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus a media room with 2,615 square feet under air. There's also a pool. There is a dock that is shared between this house and the one next door. And then there is a brand new 10,000-pound boat lift going in by the end of next month. There is interior laundry, 2-car garage, and everything has been redone inside. So beautiful, beautiful updates, and all of the furniture is included. Location. So I encourage you to look at a map and to look at the aerial photos so you can just kind of get your bearings in terms of this fabulous location. It is a 6-minute walk to world famous Siesta Key Beach, and it is a very short walk, probably the same length of time, to get to Siesta Key Village, which has tons of restaurants, bars, boutiques, and there's even a Morton's Market there. So everything that you need if you wanted to just get here, be here, and never leave the island, everything you need is here. I mentioned the boat dock and the boat lift. It is a 10-minute boat ride to Big Pass and to open water. So it's a great boating home, and you know, it gives you the Siesta Key lifestyle, but with a touch of elegance. You know, it feels light and bright and beachy, but also very sophisticated at the same time. So again, price is now $3,047,000. And if you have any interest, please let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.